Hi, hello and namaste. Welcome to our channel CM on Bike, and this is Chanakya Sai. Yeah, today I came with some other new accessories for your bike. Yeah, what is that? Just a moment. Yeah, this is the magnetic tank bag for your bike, and it is very beautiful product, friends. I am using it since 2 years, but you see how the look. It is very beautiful quality material, friends. I will explain clearly by showing this product and demonstrating this product. And you can think that the Guardian Gears are promoting with me. No, I am using since 2 years, and I am giving my feedback on this product. That's it, friends. It is very useful product. You can buy it in single word, and after explaining you only say that this product is good product. So stay tuned. I will meet you by demonstrating this. Friends, this is the tank bag which I shown now, and it has we can use this as three types in three different methods, and I will show clearly. The first method is that there are four magnetic straps. You see that 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, these four straps has a powerful magnet so that we can keep directly on the tank like this in the specific manner, and there is a narrow cut will be facing towards the handle as shown, because the handle is wide. So if the bag is also wide, then you can face a problem while turning the handle. So we should face in the manner which is shown, and we can use in the second way. We can use as a backpack. How? He provided two straps for dedicated two straps, and we can attach to them as shown. And one more thing, you can see that attachment straps. There are four straps in total, and this can be attached with your straps which is provided extra if your tank is not made up of iron. So if you have a fiber tank, so use them. And the third method we can use as luggage bag, and you can carry vegetables etc. in that bag by carrying with that notch which is given. And one more thing, we have a specialty that we can use it as a mobile mount also. Normally we will use mobile mount for GPS signal, but we have an advantage that we can keep our mobile phone in the cover, and which is very nice, friends. I am using it as a GPS also by keeping in this, and they gave a earphones strap also. And one more zip which is provided is we can keep some change in that, friends. When we are in the long tour, we need some change, so we can keep that change in that, and any cards, passport, anything we can keep in that for quick wire. And one more thing, friends, there is a radium which is shown, and it is very beautiful, friends. In the night time it reflects very nicely and very beautiful. And if you see the symbol, what symbol it resembles, can you guess, friends? Yeah, I am saying that it resembles Harley Davidson symbol. And I will show the interior part. It is very beautiful, friends. Let us see how the interior is. You can see that now. This is one compartment, friends, and the interior material is very beautiful with orange color. And he made this is another compartment. I will show the interior part now. It is very beautiful, friends. You can see that is also orange, nice beautiful colors. And this is one compartment, this is one compartment, and this is another compartment for you can keep earphones, and we can keep memory cards, and we have a quick keeping some of the things papers like that in that grilled one. And as I said, we have four notches back side so that we can tie the straps. I will show now. Friends, these are the straps which is provided by the Guardian Gears for those who have fiber tanks, so that you can tie to that. As I said earlier, there are four straps. There are four straps which can be notched to this, provided what to say that that's facility backside. This we can four hooks, and which is tied to four notches. So that is the thing friends, it is very nice looking bag which is very made up of very quality product. And you see one more specialty in this, we can extend the, if there are so much luggage and you need some of the space extra, so you can extend them with the extra zip provided by the manufacturer. You can see that we can increase 3 liters width, 3 liters volume by removing the zip. So it is very beautiful. You see how much space we can get extra. So overall rating friends, it is very good product, and they used YKK jeeps. It is very premium jeeps in the international standards, and I am using it since 2 years. And one more thing friends, it has a one more specialty, and one more thing is that if there is heavy rainfall, we can, he gave a rain cover also with this, with free of cost, and which is the rain cover is also very beautiful friends. You can see that as shown in the video. You see how premium it looks and how quality and the color, he maintains a very good color friends. You see this is the rain cover, and we can attach to that in heavy rains. I used friends for in these 2 years, I used it in so many rainy days. There are heavy rains, I used it in heavy rains, but even not even single drop went inside. So it is very useful for you friends in the rainy season. You see the logo also very well designed on the rain cover. This is the position where we can keep friends. So this is the thing friends. So friends, that is the thing. And I hope you like this video, because you can understand by seeing itself the product. It is a very quality product. Why I am saying this many times, because if I gave a quality product to you, if I referred a quality product to you, you can sincerely appraise me that I have referred a good quality product. You can also refer to someone else, so everyone will get some quality product. So coming to the price, I got this product for around actually this MRP is 3000 rupees, and I applied actually on at the time of purchase there is an offer with RuPay card, so 10% off. So I got 300 discount, so I purchased it for 2700. It is very worthful product friends, one time investment. And there are different types of bags in this garden gears only. What 35 liters bag is also there, and this 25 liters is more than enough friends, because it is very compact one, so that it will have more stability on tank. So it is more than enough friends. If you have more luggage, you keep on the bag which is having in panniers, we have top box, and we can manage in that. And so if you like the product, you can buy it easily in Amazon, and you can buy in their website also, Garden Gears. So their service is also very fine friends. So if you like this video, please like the video, and please subscribe to my channel, so that I will make more such kind of videos that will help you. And in a simple word, I am saying, please buy this product by closing your eyes. You keep a single investment and enjoy throughout the life. I am challenging, it will not go anywhere, it will not damage anywhere. You use rough and tough. So this is Chanakya Sai signing off. See you on bike.